Today, we are going to look at the Opportunities tool. Here we can visualize the panel with all the stages of each lead. A new lead, when just a new one arrives. Hot lead, which are the most important to follow up. Booking requested, and booking confirmed for those with an appointment. Services sold for a confirmed customer, and cold lead for a customer whose interest has been abandoned, but in order not to lose the opportunity to have a future sale. It is contacted again in a certain time. In each lead card, you can view the details of the opportunity and modify them as you wish. Schedule an appointment, add a task for that contact designated for a teammate. And in Notes, you can add any lead detail that is relevant or that you want the rest of the team to be aware of. Also, in each lead card on the top right, you can see if that same lead is assigned or not, and by clicking on the icon, you can change it. Now, the card should not remain in New Lead, because this means that no action was generated with it. So when scheduling an appointment, the lead will automatically move to Booking Requests, or you can also do it manually by taking the card and moving it to the right place. If for any reason, the lead is not interested in the service at the moment, remember to position it in cold lead and add a task for a certain time to follow up. The task itself will alert you in the notification bell to remind you. Don't forget that you can search for opportunities by name or some other detail, sort by, and apply filters to find the lead or a few specific ones for a better search. I hope this has been helpful. Greetings.